Hello, I am Erica Russi Peterson, and this lesson is on the R sound of Standard American English. The R sound can be difficult because it is made in different ways in different languages. In American English, the R is made in this way. The two sides of the tongue are up against the top of the mouth. They are tense, and the throat is a little bit tight. You will notice that the tip of the tongue does not touch. And this is the big difference between the sound of American English and the trilled sound of other languages like ra. Let's look at it more closely. So my hand, this is my tongue. So the tongue is in a soft U shape, and then the roof of the mouth is like this. So you should feel the sides of your tongue against your upper teeth. Let's practice. If you are not used to making the R sound in this way, it can be good simply to say every morning, 10 times or 20 times, whatever you want to do, in order to build that muscle, because you do need to just get your tongue used to doing that method. Okay, let's practice the R sound a little more with a few words. When R is the first letter, we simply say rain, red. You may need to practice the R when it's in certain combinations. So you might need to practice one combination more than another. Let's go through the combination letters. Brown, cur, cry, drive, fur, free, great, purr, pretty, stir, street, three, tree. With that TR sound, you can almost make a CH as in ch sound. Tree. That helps some people. So you may find that one combination is harder than another. The other combinations are R with the vowel sounds. Now, American English differs from British English because we say all the R's. And in British English, they take out the R sound when it's in the middle or at the end of a word. So a British speaker says work, and an American speaker says work. A British speaker says after. An American speaker says after. So in American English, say all R's. Let's practice the vowels with R a little bit. Ear, the E to R, ear. The small sound, Ire, long I to R, as in fire. R, as in star. Air, as in parent. Or, as in store. You have to be careful with OR because it often reduces, as in the word doctor, becomes just at the end. You can practice with the 500 common word lists, and with R, it's a good idea to figure out which combinations are the most difficult and practice those a lot. The 500 word lists are at www.speakmethod.com. Thanks. Bye-bye.